So guys, we're here at Dollar Tree. Super cool, I know, right? See? Look. Oh, cool. Let's explore around. Yeah, let's fucking go. Come on, let's fucking go. Come on, let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. See? Super cool as fuck. Oh shit. Let's fucking go. See? This is so cool as fuck. We're at Dollar Tree. What should we buy? Yeah, what should we buy? I don't know. We don't have no fucking money, really? Oh, yeah, that's true. Uh, uh, let's look around. Let's look around. Oh, this is weird as fuck. What are we even doing here? What are we gonna buy? We have no damn money once again. Like I just said. I don't know, but we're just bored. I don't know. I decided we can go here and I don't know and just just I don't know, just cruise around. Oh jeez. Used to be the dollar store. Everything was $1, but now it's for $5 or more. And this shit. I don't know. It's just weird. Let's just keep going. Yeah, I don't really care. Let's just keep going. We're back here again. I don't know. Let's take a break here. We really don't know what to buy. Why did we came here at all once again? I'm kind of bored. This place is shit, literally. Let's just keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going, guys. There's gotta be something we can find that's cool. Look, party decorations. I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know what to do anymore. This fucking shit, literally. Never mind. This place is shit. Any games we can buy here? Nah, it's fine. No, we have plenty at home. Let's check the other side. Alright. Nah, nothing here either. This is all for summer. We're already in summer. Yeah, we know that, but no, I don't think we need any of that shit. Alright. Well, once again, we should get the fuck out of here. We have nothing to do here, literally. Alright, let's just look around for a little longer. Oh, fine, alright. It's not like we have anything better to do, James. Alright, Percy, we get it, we get it.
No, listen, there's two big Walmarts. There's one this way.
What the fuck is with that laugh? Yeah.
That's the first one on Pizza Hut, yes. Which one are you talking about? She's talking about the one off the blade.
Whoa. Light bulbs. Oh, all the electronic stuff. Cool. But not cool enough. Let's go to the other art. They sell sponges and shit here. Let's go. I don't know. This is shit. This is shit. This is shit, literally. I guess you're right. Okay, I should really stop with the cussing. Yeah, you think? Yeah. Maybe I will. Maybe I won't. We'll see. Oh, whatever. Let's just maybe have nothing to buy here. Hey guys, but look at the bright side. At least we went somewhere and we went together, and at least we can like roll real somewhere different. Get it? Yeah, I guess it's someplace newer, I guess. Yeah. Okay, let's just keep walking around. This is the other food aisle. Oh, really? Really, bro? Let's go ask the cashier. No, hell no, no, no. Let's go the other way. Well, this was fun and all, but I think home is where the real adventure is. Yeah, I guess you're right. Well, guys, I think we're done enough searching, but let's get the hell out of here. Okay, let's go. Wait, what the fuck is the exit? I have literally no idea. Wait, is that who I think it is?
Hello there. I'm back.
Oh shit, let's get the fuck out of here. Huh? Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Let's get out, let's get out. Where's James? I think he's outside waiting for us. Come on, let's get the fuck out of here. Come on, what should we do? Just go to the exit, but she's still there. I can hear her. I can hear her. Come on, let's go. Dang, she is so fast as hell. What should we do? Well, she is a demon wolf, Thomas. How you know that? Oh, whatever. I don't know. I don't know. This is. What should we do? What should we do? What should we do? Let's run! Run! We're doing it. Just try to run this way. Yes, but it's better than nothing. Come on. Why did we stop here? I don't know. I just literally have no idea how the hell she find us and how the hell are we gonna get out of this shit.
I'm not going down so easy.
Oh no. Oh no. Leave my fucking friends alone. Come on, guys. Let's get out of here. Come on.
Whatever. I will get my revenge.
Okay, let's get out of here for good. Yeah, I can agree with you on that, James. Come on. Okay, there's the exit. Come on, let's go. Let's get the fuck out of here. Well, at least we all made it of this alive, yeah? We're happy for that. True. And we have each other. Yeah, so true. Let's get out. Yeah, right.